Well, I told you that this is how we tape is very scary. You didn't listen. Well, I'll show you this is how we tape is. Going to relate to the story of Frankenstein, a man of science who sought to create a creature. It deals with the two mysteries of the universe: life and death. This is a show to thrill you, to shock you, to horrify you, to terrify you, and what? Cats have objections are straight. Well, we warned you. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. May God have mercy on the soul of this man. Man, there was a man amongst. That was an outcast. And God wanted mercy on his soul, because he was an outcast, the down and outs of society. Sir, you're buried in a cemetery, in an unmarked grave, like an outcast. Let no man mourn your party. Cover the grave. Now, come on. Moon's rising. No time to lose. He's just resting. Leave him get a new life. Get up there. No! Here it comes. Here's a knife. Here I come. So right, neck's broken. Brain's useless. Best find a new brain. Here we have the normal brain right here. Here I have the abnormal brain. Well, this killer's brain, whose life was full of brutality, violence, and murder. These specimens are on display for you. Thank you. The class is dismissed. The first actually snuck in, took the normal brain. Ah! He dropped the normal brain. He took the abnormal brain. I found Victor's note. You must have faith in me. Wait, my work must come first before you. I'm living in a town close to Ingolstadt. At night winds howl. We'll go to Dr. Waldman and see what he thinks. I'm sorry, Marie, but Dr. Frankenstein is no longer my student. His disturbing creating human life. He's no longer my student. But he was thrown out of the university. He left the university. The term bring to life what was once dead. How's this happen? We'll go see him. I don't know where he is. He's close with help. He says he's close to the town in Ingolstadt. We'll go see him.